And as you can see for yourself guys, nice and colorful. Kaboom! Freestyle Nation! A freestyle. Our ackee and corn pork is now completed freestyle. And as you can see, it's a whole vibes going on right there. Nice and delicious, nice and colorful. And I mean, it's just a vibe. And to go with our corn pork and ackee over here guys, we have some coconut dumpling with a piece of dasheen. Guys, it's just a vibe. We're talking about some authentic Jamaican food, corn pork and ackee, rain freestyle.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for rain freestyle adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Hey freestyle, welcome back to the channel guys, welcome back. Hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're back in the kitchen and it's all about some corn pork and ackee with some coconut dumpling the rain freestyle way. But before we go any further guys, remember to just like, share and comment. If you haven't hit subscribers yet, just hit the subscription button, join the movement. And each time you subscribe guys, remember to hit that notification bell that each time I upload a video you'll be notified. So time to cook freestyle, you know the vibe. Yes, my freestyle nation. So as I said before guys, it's all about some ackee and corn pork, you know what I mean. And right here is the recipe for my ackee and corn pork freestyle. As you can see right here, I have my corn pork guys. This is a homemade corn pork. I will leave the video for this corn pork in the description. And I must tell you, as you can see for yourself guys, I must tell you freestyle, the smells of this and the whole aroma that comes from this pork, it just appears that you could eat it just as it is. But right here guys are the recipe for my corn pork and ackee. Scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, sweet pepper, onion, a can of grace ackee, black pepper and a tomato. Now freestyle, I will go ahead and start the preparation for my ackee and corn pork. And as you already know, the rain freestyle way. Now guys, first you want to put your corn pork to cook. So right here I have the pork on the stove cooking. And freestyle, to go with the ackee and corn pork guys, I'm making some coconut dumpling. And also my coconut dumpling guys, right here as you can see for yourself guys, I have some flour with a small amount of cornmeal in it, and I have a can of coconut milk right there. So what I'll be doing freestyle, I'm gonna use the coconut milk to make my dough, so just stay tuned for that as we proceed. Mix up my flour with the cornmeal and the salt. Now I'll go ahead and use the coconut milk to knead my flour. As you know, when it comes on as you know guys, when it come on to coconut, I mean like it's a complete vibe when it come on to the flavor that they get from coconut. So just imagine how tasty these dumplings are going to be. Right here are my natural season. I will go ahead and start the preparation of my natural season. So here you have it freestyle. My dough is completely prepped, and as I said before guys, it's all about the coconut dumpling. I've never tried it before, but I know guys, anything with coconut milk is a vibes. Anything with coconut milk is fire. So I know for sure this is going to be delicious, it's going to be tasty, it's going to be a complete vibe. So yes freestyle, so I will now go ahead and make my dumplings, my coconut dumplings that is. You know when you come on to dumpling freestyle, the prettiest dumpling, then you know that, right? You know the vibes. Corn pork and ackee coconut dumpling. This is a vibe. We're talking about some real authentic, flavorful food guys. I mean like, you can't go wrong with coconut. Once you got coconut, it's a vibe. And you're talking about the corn pork and ackee, which are like tasty meat. I mean guys, it's a vibe. It's a vibe. Now guys, one can of ackee is selling for $12, right? And I am sure this is less than a dozen ackee inside of this can. But if you need it, you have to pay the price for it. But it really pains my heart because I was just in Jamaica like about 2 weeks ago, I was in Portland and I saw ackee falling from the trees, spoiling. Now, back home in the US, I have to pay $12 for one can of ackee. And let me see, $12 will be probably about 1,600 Jamaican dollars. So that's a lot of money. And I'm sure in Jamaica you can get like a dozen ackee for probably like $300 or $250. And this is less than a dozen ackee in this can. I'm sure it's less than a dozen. And it's $12. So, and not even that, I might have to run to the store and get a second can because I doubt the one can is going to share for everybody in the house. So I might have to go and get a next can. So that is 2 cans of ackee, $24. You see that? So people in Jamaica, embrace what you have, guys. So freestyle, here are the coconut dumplings coming along nice and lovely. And guys, it survives. Coconut dumpling, corn, pork and ackee. You know the vibes. So freestyle, so what I had to do, guys, was send and get a second can of ackee, guys, because as you can see, guys, this is very small amount and it's not gonna share for everybody. Actually, what you're seeing here is just for me alone. So yeah, I have to get a second can, so I'm waiting on it. In the meantime, I'm waiting on the second can to come, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the corn pork in small pieces. As you can see, guys, I have my natural season already prepped. My onions, sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, thyme. That's about it. Now, guys, as for your corn pork, you're gonna cut it in small pieces like this. Small pieces like these should be alright. As mentioned, guys, I had to get a second can of ackee because the one can, guys, was too small. So we have 2 cans now, so we should be alright with this. As you can see, guys, yeah, this more look like it now. Freestyle, this is it. This is it. So right here I have my ackee, pork and my natural season prepped. What I will now do now, freestyle, I will now go ahead and fry the corn pork. Then we're going to saute the season. Then we're going to add our ackee. Now freestyle, I'm about to fry the pork and my oil of choice is organic coconut oil. So it's a coconut mania, guys. Coconut dumpling, ackee and corn pork cooked with coconut oil. Now freestyle, I'm now gonna go ahead, put our pork to fry. Now freestyle, as for your pork, guys, you want to give your pork a nice dry crispy fry. As you can see, guys, it's coming along nice and lovely right here. This is what I'm talking about, freestyle. Look at that, nice and crispy. So freestyle, our pork is now fried and it's now time for us to saute our natural season. Put our natural season in. And as you can see for yourself, guys, nice and colorful. And I must tell you, guys, the aroma from the coconut oil, guys, it's just a complete vibe. I'm going to leave my season out to saute for probably like about 4 minutes. Then we're going to put in the pork and the ackee, take it from there. You know the vibes, freestyle. Now freestyle, after sauteing our natural season, it's time to add our ackee. After we add our Ackee freestyle, we'll go ahead and add our corn pork. Then freestyle, next thing you want to do, add some black pepper. After adding your black pepper freestyle, you want to give it a stir. And as you can see guys, nice and lovely corn pork and Ackee. Kaboom! Freestyle Nation! Hey freestyle, our Ackee and corn pork is now completed freestyle. And as you can see, it's some whole vibes going on right there. Nice and delicious, nice and colorful, and I mean it's just a vibe. And to go with our corn pork and Ackee over here guys, we have some coconut dumpling with a piece of dasheen. Guys, it's just a vibe. We're talking about some authentic Jamaican food, corn pork and Ackee, or rain freestyle way. You know the vibes. Freestyle, if you're watching this video guys, remember, hit the subscription button, join the freestyle movement. And whenever you subscribe guys, remember to hit the notification bell. That's each time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Now freestyle, I'm going to turn the stove off and I'm going to share out this mouth-watering dish, and I'm just going to dive in and all the vibes. So you know the vibes. Corn pork and Ackee, it survives. If you have never tried it before guys, you need to give it a try. Corn pork and Ackee, very delicious, very tasty. Corn pork and Ackee served with coconut dumpling and dasheen is now completed freestyle. And as you can see for yourself guys, it's a complete vibe going on right here freestyle. To taste it is to believe it. Look at that. Guys, the crispiness of the pork, corned from about 5, 6, 7 days ago, cooked down with the Ackee, the coconut dumpling, the dasheen, freestyle. It not getting no better than this. Look at that. Guys, if you have never tried this before, you need to try it. It's a very tasty meal, something you will love for sure. Freestyle, I must tell you guys, if you have never tried this menu before, you need to try it. Coconut dumpling, Ackee and corn pork. Trust me, you don't want this to finish. It's just a complete vibes. The taste, it's just a vibe guys, you gotta try it. Until next time freestyle, catch you in the next one, you know the vibes. Like, share and comment. If you haven't subscribed as yet, the subscription button, join the movement. Freestyle.